ACER Dynamic 17 Series Precision Engine Lathe. 10 great reasons to go ACER Dynamic 17 Series Lathe. 1. 7.5 horsepower high efficient motor for high torque output. Machine provides 3-speed range: high, medium, low, and 12-step RPM. RPM range from 50 to 1800 RPM. 2. Headstock's rigidity and durability are derived from high tensile cast iron FC25. It's built to last. Gears are made from chromium molybdenum steel SCM21. They are treated by cementation and precisely ground to provide smooth and quiet running. Combination of forced lubrication, an oil bath system in headstock prolongs life expectancy of the gears and the spindle. 3. 3-point support on the spindle is the key to heavy cutting. 2 1/4 inch bored spindle is made from medium carbon steel S45C and induction hardened and ground to its final accuracy. It is supported by 3 fag bearing, 2 taper roller bearing, and 1 plain roller bearing to assure its accuracy and rigidity during heavy turning. 4. Massive and rigid construction of mehinite FC30 casting base and bed are triangular ribbed with annealing process. It allows no deformation to occur on the machine. 5. Machine bedway are hardened and ground more than Rockwell C55. Saddle is coated with Tersite B to provide wear resistance. With a forced lubrication system, the cross-transverse accuracy of the machine is maintained. 6. A uniquely designed gearbox offers a comprehensive range of inch and metric threads without changing gears. Metric threads 0.5 to 7 threads per millimeter. Inch threads 4 to 56 threads per inch. For example, we are cutting 7 threads per inch, so we combine B, C, W, 9. Output shaft is designed with safety pin to protect gearbox from damage. 7. Automatic feeding and threading in apron are fully interlocked to prevent simultaneous engagement of both functions. The apron is equipped with an overload protection device to avoid gear damage. 8. 2 1/4 inch diameter quill graduated in inch and metric scale is made from low carbon steel SCM4 and it is hardened and ground to its accuracy. Hardness of the quill is Rockwell C60. Rigid construction of the tailstock is able to facilitate heavy drilling and withstand heavy cutting. The stroke of the quill is 6 inches, longest in its class. Tailstock quill with keelway lock to prevent from rotation when heavy drilling. 9. Simple laid out electric cabinet is easy to maintain and easy to fix problems. A safe 24 volt control voltage is standard on ACER Dynamic Lathe. 10. Best accessories package includes 1. 4-way tool post. 2. 10-inch 3-jaw chuck. 3. Power cutoff chuck guard. 4. Halogen light. 5. Steady rest. 6. 14-inch faceplate. ACER builds 17-inch precision lathes with 3 different lengths, 40, 60, and 80 inches. ACER provides the best solution for your precision turning application. We start with the most basic foundation for a machine, mass construction of mehinite casting with heavy rib. To resist flex and damp vibration, everyone is thoroughly inspected prior to machining to ensure it is free of flaw. Machine is equipped with 7.5 horsepower continuous motor to provide high torque and 3 Timekin bearings, 2 taper roller and 1 plain roller bearing for your heavy-duty turning. All bedway are hardened with precision ground to ensure accuracy and long life of machine usage. Quality is our #1 job. ACER, name says it all. All ACER lathes are backed with the best service nationwide dealers network. ACER keeps an extensive parts inventory in stock at California and New Jersey's warehouse for immediate delivery. Check on our prices for these quality precision lathes. You will be surprised how affordable it is. Join with hundreds of ACER dynamic lathes happy users. We hope your next lathe will be ACER.